When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review. As you can see, we not only take the time to meet everyone's needs, we go that extra distance because we really do care, and it's great to see that we're making a huge difference every day. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we're always excited to speak with anyone, whether they're new or returning. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.